Well, hi guys, these are the tomato Vilma we grew a few weeks ago. You can see how well they've grown, and they are just too big for this pot now. So they need to go into their individual pots now for the next stage. And after this, they probably go into their final pots. So after this pot size stage, they might go into pots this big, or maybe even a little bit bigger than that one. It all depends on how big these grow, how tall. Try and avoid damaging the main stem. So try and get your finger in somewhere to support. Give this a squeeze, a little tap, and the whole block should just come away like that. Then, very gently, you just want to slowly separate these. So there we go, one's coming away. Grab the leaf and just gently, there we go. Now we've got a situation here. We've got a really well developed plant here and one not so well. This might not do so well, but I'm going to give it one more chance and also repot that one as well. Fill up a little bit of soil at the bottom. We're talking about maybe 10-20% at the bottom like that. Little seedling inside, so not too low. You want the top to be roughly just below the edge. And just fill all around. Now what's happened is these plants have grown really well, but the outside temperature still hasn't improved, so they've got to stay indoors for a little bit longer, a few more weeks. And then we want to get these climatized for the outside temperature, so slowly get them used to it. What I might do is put them on a windowsill with the window wide open. Check the weather regularly. The main thing where people get caught out is the nighttime temperature. Don't forget to label. This year I'm only growing one type of tomato, so I can't really get confused, and tomato leaves are quite unique. So there we are. So when you come to water, you just want to gently water on top, not dispersing too much of the soil or disturbing the plant. Make sure it stays upright, or you can put it in a couple of inches of water for a couple of hours and just let the soil soak up all the water it needs. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed or liked, don't forget to do those things for me. And if you want to see all the way to fruit picking of these lovely tomatoes, then be sure to turn the notification on, and I'll see you on another video real soon. Take care, bye for now.